If you're tired of rust-stained sinks, orange-tinged laundry, and that unmistakable metallic taste, you're not alone. Well owners struggle with ineffective iron filters that fail within months or require constant maintenance. Today's video identifies which systems actually deliver on their promises, eliminating iron problems for years without becoming another frustration themselves. Links to the best price for each water filter mentioned are in the description box below. If you're looking for the best iron filter for well water, but don't want to spend a fortune, then this Waterdrop filter is a good choice. With the Waterdrop 2-stage whole house water filter system, you'll notice a real improvement in your water as soon as you install it. Capable of handling flow rates up to 15 gallons per minute, this filter won't slow down your showers or fill times, even if you have a big family using water at the same time. A major highlight is its effective removal of contaminants. This system is designed to reduce over 99% of iron and around 96% of manganese, as well as significantly lower levels of chlorine and any particles larger than 5 microns. That translates to cleaner, fresher water at every tap, helping to prevent staining and metallic odors that iron and manganese often cause. You'll appreciate the quality build, with pure copper connectors and materials tested to withstand over 100,000 water hammer cycles. Leaks and corrosion are minimized. This filter is built to last, making it less likely you'll have issues with maintenance or durability. For most homes, the recommended installation spot is near your main water shutoff. Once up and running, maintenance is pretty simple. Just change the GAC filter about every 6 months and the PP filter every 3 to 6 months. Keeping up with these quick swaps provides ongoing protection for your appliances and plumbing. Next up on my list of the best iron water filters, we have this popular filter from Crystal Quest. When you install the Crystal Quest metal removal whole house water filter, you're setting yourself up for cleaner, fresher well water from every tap in your home. The system is designed to tackle tough issues like iron, manganese, and hydrogen sulfide, substances commonly found in well water that can cause rust stains, strange tastes, and that notorious rotten egg smell. You'll notice clearer water with less metallic taste and fewer unwelcome odors. The filtration process starts strong with a 20-inch sediment cartridge, so you won't see sediment, dirt, or sand making its way through your plumbing. After that, the water passes through a solid carbon cartridge, targeting volatile organic compounds such as pesticides, solvents, and some industrial contaminants that might otherwise linger in your water. A standout feature of this filter is its special mineral tank, specifically engineered to reduce iron, manganese, and sulfur. This not only improves the taste and smell of your water, but also helps protect pipes, appliances, and fixtures from rust stains and mineral buildup. There's also media inside, ERA 6500 and 9500 blends, which works to prevent bacterial growth, adding an extra layer of confidence for your home's water quality. Moving on, if you're looking for the best iron removal system for well water and don't mind paying for a top quality product, then I highly recommend the Matrixx InFusion Ultimate Iron and Sulfur Eradication System. This system uses continuous hydrogen peroxide injection, followed by catalytic carbon filtration to address those stubborn, rotten egg odors and unwanted minerals. You don't have to fuss with complicated maintenance either, as the internal moving parts are minimal and the design emphasizes reliability. What really stands out is the system's ability to work on water with pH between 6 and 9. It even targets iron and sulfur bacteria, problems that many standard filters can't handle. When peroxide is introduced, it reacts fiercely with contaminants, breaking them down and eliminating odors on the spot. You also get some handy smart features like Bluetooth connectivity. The Legacy View app lets you monitor water usage in real time, adjust settings, and program regeneration cycles with your phone. Long-lasting catalytic carbon and an automated backwash setup mean you'll spend less time on upkeep, and the tank's chrome protector stays looking neat with just a quick wipe. The system comes in 3 models to fit different home sizes, supporting from 1 to 6 bathrooms, and peak flow rates up to 20 gallons per minute. The operation is low voltage and energy efficient, so ongoing costs are minimal. With the included peroxide tank and filter, you're set up for both performance and ease of use. Next up on my best iron filter for well water list, we have this reliable and affordable filter from SoftPro. When you install the SoftPro Iron Master AIO filter, your well water gets a powerful upgrade. It tackles high iron levels, up to 30 parts per million, without using chemicals. This makes it a great choice if you're looking for a cleaner, low-maintenance solution that's built around efficiency. The system reduces not just iron, but also manganese and hydrogen sulfide, which means less staining and no more rotten egg odors in your water. Its air injection oxidation, AIO technology, uses air as a natural oxidizer, making the filtration process simple and effective without any need for additives. With this setup, your water comes out with a more neutral pH, usually above 7, helping prevent corrosion and acidic issues. SoftPro uses a premium German-made Catalox filter media, known for its long lifespan, typically ranging between 5 and 10 years depending on your water conditions and use. The filter is designed for easy, virtually maintenance-free operation. Once installed, you can just let it do the work. You'll appreciate the upgraded 1-inch high-flow valve, which ensures no drop in water pressure, even when multiple taps are running at the same time. The smart programmable control valve is user-friendly, featuring an easy-to-read LCD screen and electronic touchpad, making adjustments and monitoring simple. Backup features like a self-charging capacitor and vacation mode make day-to-day use stress-free. SoftPro stands behind its iron filter systems with a lifetime warranty and free lifetime technical support. Whether you're facing high iron, issues with manganese, or sulfur odors, this filter gives your well water a significant quality boost. So, what is the best iron filter for well water on the market? If your well water has a stubborn rotten egg smell or leaves those orange and black stains around the house, the Springwell Whole House Well Water Filter is designed to tackle these issues right at the source. This system targets iron, sulfur, and manganese contamination, helping your water taste fresher and look cleaner throughout your home. You'll find that the air injection system in this filter is key to its performance. Water passes through a pocket of air and green sand. This oxidizes and traps the iron, sulfur, or manganese, so the contaminants are left behind instead of coming out of your taps. After filtering, the unit backwashes automatically, sending the buildup down the drain and restoring a fresh air pocket ready for another cycle. The Springwell filter is built for low hassle. Once set, the electronic control valve handles everything. You can even adjust settings and monitor usage from your phone with their Bluetooth-enabled app, making it easy to manage air draw, backwash cycles, and check historical data without fussing with the unit. Water pressure is maintained during use. The system is sized by bathroom count, so showers, dishes, and appliances all run smoothly at the same time. A 1 to 4 bathroom unit has a 12 GPM flow rate. Homes with more bathrooms can choose a model with up to 20 GPM, helping avoid any pressure drops. If you want extra peace of mind about leaks, there's an optional smart water monitor and automatic shutoff to prevent water damage. Optional UV purification can also be added for broader protection, including against certain microbes. Overall, the Springwell Whole House Well Water Filter delivers convenience, reliability, and better water quality for your day-to-day life. You could spend thousands replacing iron-damaged appliances, countless hours scrubbing stubborn stains, and endure years of embarrassment when guests notice your water quality. Or invest once in the best iron filter for well water and solve the problem permanently. Sometimes the smartest choice isn't the cheapest up front, but the one that eliminates ongoing costs. Links to each product are in the description box below.